12. Cruel ways people mock terrorist groups, their lifestyle, and anything they do, and why it is wrong. 1. Making fun of their beliefs and ideology. Ha, their beliefs are so dumb. Beliefs are deeply personal. Mocking them dehumanizes millions and only spreads ignorance and hatred. 2. Imitating their accent, clothing, or appearance. Look at my terrorist outfit/voice. It's racist, demeaning, and reduces real people to stereotypes. It fuels discrimination and dehumanization. 3. Joking about their violence or attacks. LOL, did you see what they did? Violence causes real pain and loss of innocent lives. Making jokes about it shows a lack of empathy and basic humanity. 4. Creating memes and funny videos about them. Terrorists be like. It trivializes terrorism and the suffering it causes. It turns serious issues into entertainment for likes and shares. 5. Dismissing their motives as stupid or crazy. They're just crazy and immature. It ignores complex political, historical, and social issues. Dismissing doesn't solve problems. It prevents solutions. 6. Comparing them to animals or insects. They're animals, not human. Dehumanizing any group justifies hatred and violence against them. Everyone deserves basic human dignity. 7. Cheering or glorifying when they are hurt. Good, they deserve it. Celebrating death or suffering makes you part of the cycle of hate and revenge. It destroys your own humanity. 8. Mocking their countries, cultures, or way of life. Their countries are backward. It shows disrespect for entire cultures and people who have nothing to do with violence. It's ignorant and arrogant. 9. Spreading rumors or false stories for laughs. I heard they do something crazy. False information creates fear, hate, and confusion. It can lead to real-world harm and unjust blame. 10. Using them as punchlines in everyday jokes. Can't even joke these days. It normalizes hate speech. What seems like just a joke can make others feel unsafe and excluded. 11. Treating them like villains in a game or movie only. They're just video game bad guys. It oversimplifies real human conflict and desensitizes you to real suffering and injustice in the world. 12. Seeking attention by mocking them online. Look at me being edgy. It's about ego, not truth or justice. It pollutes online spaces and encourages more hate and division. Hate doesn't make you strong. Empathy does. Criticize ideas, not people. Choose respect. Choose humanity. A better world starts with how we treat each other.